So we're here with Issa Amro, who is a very well-known, amazing activist in Hebron, who has been beaten, jailed by the Israeli military. When we were in Congress, many Congress people tell us everything was fine before the Hamas attack on October. How would you answer that?
No, our problem didn't start on October 7th. Our history didn't start on October 7th. We lost our land. Many Palestinians became refugees from 48. Then in 1967, then in the first Intifada, the Ibrahim Mosque massacre, the second Intifada, 2015. I am living, I'm 44. I never saw freedom. I never saw a good day for me in Palestine. We live under Israeli military, Israeli apartheid, Israeli brutality. They are stealing our culture, they are stealing our land, they are stealing our kids' future. They are stealing our narrative as well, and it's before October 7th. What happened in October 7th is part of what was happening to Palestinians since very long time. We are losing land every day. I was attacked, tortured, beaten on October 7th, and nobody's talking about it. I was dismissed and expelled from my house on October 7th, and I was expelled and dismissed from my parents' house after the Ibrahim Mosque massacre, when Baruch Stein broke into the Ibrahim Mosque and killed 29 Palestinians and hundreds were injured. And the result of that massacre was to punish the victims, who are the Palestinians, to close the markets, to close the streets, and make my own town as a ghetto for the Palestinians, not for the Israeli Kahanists, who now became the main decision makers in Israel and control our water. They control how much water we consume. They control our electricity. We don't have enough electricity in Hebron and in West Bank. They control how much food we eat as Palestinians. The import, the export, it's all under the control of the Israeli occupation before October 7th. So they control all details of our life, and we live in a different sets of law. One for civilian law for the Israeli settlers, my neighbors, the Israeli neighbors who are illegally in our land. They have a privilege of the civilian law, and we, the Palestinians, under the Israeli military law, and it's before October 7th. And the military law means you are guilty until you are proven innocent. Non-violence resistance is not allowed, and they treat you as a human animal.
So we visited you in your home. We saw how there were Israeli checkpoints and soldiers right at your home. We saw how difficult it is for you to bring visitors to show what's happening there. These young Israeli gangs that we see in this movie now, it seems they have become more brazen since October 7th. Have things gotten worse since then?
Yes, much worse. The Israeli gangs and the Israeli settler thugs became the government. Itamar Ben-Gvir, we never expected he will be the Israeli National Security Minister. Itamar Ben-Gvir was not allowed to be part of the Israeli military because of his fascism and because of his extreme ideology. Now, he's the Israeli National Security Minister. He has many supporters. He has many Knesset members supporting him and backing up his crazy fascist ideology. This fascism now is in the government. They are the lawmakers, they are the decision makers, they are in the government, they are in the police, they are in the military, they are all over in the Israeli media and in the Israeli public.
So what should we be pushing the U.S. government to do?
First, I want to thank you, media and all the movement in the United States and what they are doing. To be very honest, for the first time, my people on the ground see you doing great work. We are very proud of what you are doing. We feel much stronger. We feel that we are not alone. The university students, the activists, everywhere on all levels, you are doing great. We feel stronger. We get energy and power from you. What I ask you to be more united, to be more creative in how to make the occupation and apartheid costly, and keep fighting the occupation as part of your daily routine as you do, and to be proud of yourself, because we are very proud of you.